Good evening everyone. So let's make a very quick installation video depicting how to get started with VTT Assets and vtta-dndbeyond for new users during the time of transition from VTT Assets to vtta.io. So one word of advice, right now everything you need is on vttassets.com, and I'm in the process of releasing the first new module running under the flag vtta.io, and this will be available on vtta.io only, but right now we are still, when downloading and installing modules, we are still at vttassets.com. Nothing changed in that regard. So right now you will have a new world, you're logging in as Game Master and nothing is installed. So let's go back, return to setup and install the module needed. You will see that is not here, so there's a different module that's in the works. We will install a module and you will see that it's not available right now here, but we will go to vttassets.com/assets, then go to vtta-dndbeyond, and we'll go to the right hand side where you can see a download, either a zip file, but we will just copy the manifest link by clicking that clipboard button. So we have it in the clipboard. We head over here, and down in the bottom you will see that there's an input field where you can just Ctrl+V, insert that copied link and hit install. So this will install vtta-dndbeyond integration version 3.3.4, the just actual and running version. This is right here, so this is now installed and available. Let's go to the installation world that I'm demoing here right now. We will need to manage the modules and enable it in order to run it. So we check this checkbox and we save the module settings, and we restart once, and you see that it's already working. So this is basic setup. Enable the module after the installation. Now we need to configure one thing that changed in the most recent Foundry version. So we go to Configure Settings, to the module settings, and these two directories, Avatar Upload Directory and Scene Upload Directory, need to be changed from the default, which is the root of the user data directory. So this is not any longer an available target for storing files from a module. So we need to change that. In order to change that, we pick this directory here, and I will just use the user data root directory, but instead I will just create a new folder here. Let's call it uploads, head into that. This is, here we are, and create an avatar directory and a scene directory beneath that upload directory, and we'll use the avatar directory for this one, and we will use that uploads and scene directory for this one. So now, different from the default, which is the blank directory, that's all you need to do. If you If you have troubles uploading images, that's the place to look for. So just change that, then you're set. So that's that. The other thing that you need, now we do not need to link Patreon accounts right now because everything is globally unlocked. We just need to install the Chrome extension if you haven't already. So this is detailed on the installation paragraph over here. Add the extension to Chrome. You can click that link to go to the Chrome Web Store, and you can install it with this button. It says here, remove from Chrome in German, so I have already installed it. So we will having the icon over here. If that's not the case, so you see a bunch of icons but not the VTTA icon, you need to go, oh no, this is not available in here. Let me check Chrome real quick. Here it is. So within Chrome you will have this little puzzle icon that is show me all extensions, and only if it's pinned, like with the blue pin icon, it will be always visible in this area. Otherwise it will just be accessible after not collapsing, but opening up this panel using the puzzle icon. So I just pinned this one over here. See, if I unpin, it removes, it gets removed or added. So let's close that. This is Chromium, it doesn't have this puzzle icon, so it's always visible. Now we are here and we need to connect to Foundry, and we see in the bottom left corner that the Chrome extension connected successfully. We will see that's the card depicting the link to your Foundry server tab, and you're all set to import anything. The only thing that you really need right now is to go once to the options here. So after clicking on the extension icon in the Chrome, go to options and then log in with Google, and just use any Google account for now. So please forgive my shitty internet. Normally I would select my user over here, but it's not working right now. So let's try to show that in real Google. I'm logging in here. So this is not working very well. Here it is. Okay. So just log in and it's running in Patreon mode. That should be showing for you here, and then you're all set that you can import everything. So that's a very, very short introduction in how to get set up, how to download the module, how to enable it, how to configure the uploads directories for scenes and avatars, and how to actually log into the extension once to enable Patreon mode. Have fun. Bye-bye.